Hey guys! Today I'm going to try and shoot that pear off my sister's head with the modulus with a 25 round drum. And then I didn't load it all the way, and in case I do shoot it off, I got my strife with an 18 round stick mag to make it a little harder because I have no stock attached. So let's do this. I'm going to try and hit that pear. Luckily, I have quite a few Adventure Force starts in here, which are super accurate. Down. Oh, feeding. Problem. My 25 round drum's not feeding. Oh, and my dog's trying to eat it. Never shoot your pets. It's not a good idea. And now I'm going to try and do it again with my strife with no stock, so it'll be a little harder to aim. Okay, we're back. I got my strife with no attachments on it except for an 18 round stick mag. And my dog's no longer hanging out where he can get shot. So let's do this. I'm going to start with two hands. Both hands on the, what's it called, grip, like a pistol. And just placing that button. Damn, I'm so close to hitting it. I always love my magazines with these Adventure Force heads. Oh, wait, I think I hit it, but it didn't fall. Okay, so there. Put it back up. And Nico's back, okay? We're going to lead Nico out so he doesn't eat bullets or get shot. Come on, Nico. Get out. I guess that's kind of rude. No, you don't like pears. Come. Sit. Stay. Stay. Okay? We hit it, but it didn't fall down. Okay. I think we're out of ammo. I'm going to try one more time, and this time I'm going to go one hand. Okay, so we're back with 10 darts loaded in our 18 round stick mag. Nico led away again, and my sister's got 2 Gatorades in each hand, and we're going to try and shoot those too. I think I should have loaded more than 10 darts. We hit it. Stupid elite darts aren't accurate. Okay, just gonna load this up super quickly. Super quick reload. We're gonna put 5 darts in and see if we can get the pear in the last 5 darts. And lead Nico away again. Okay, come, stay, sit, stay, stay, Nico. Okay. Hopefully he will stay. Okay, we hit it. I think we got 1 shot left. Oh, 1 shot left. With 1 shot, 1 kill. No, it just fell. I didn't hit it. No, looks like I hit it though. Here, we'll show a replay.
1 shot left. 1 shot, 1 kill.
Okay, so that's a video of me trying to shoot a pear off my sister's head. It's kind of a weird video. Hope you guys found it entertaining and liked it. So please like and subscribe and have a good day.